Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm a pink status presenter with Younique, and I am going to show you a day to night look. Now, you get home from work and there's no way you can take off all your makeup and put it back on. Let me show you a trick. First of all, we already have this color on, which is Arrogant, and we have Tender on. Now, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to add Triumph and Cheerful. They're beautiful colors. Cheerful first. And then we're going to do Triumphant, actually. And we're going to put that in the inner crease. I actually like with these colors, I do like Tender with it. So I'm just going to add a little bit more and brighten it up. Now, as you can see, I added a little bit more, brightened it up, carried it down to the corner. I am also going to put a little bit here to make that look a little bit more dramatic. And then we're going to blend. And I'm going to do one more thing that makes it more of an evening look. Okay, so I'm not going to make it real dark, so I'm going for Cheerful right underneath the lash line. And there you go. Now what you can do is you can add one more coat of mascara onto that. Now make sure you warm that mascara up and just do the top of your lashes so that they don't clump. And there you go. That is your day to night look. Thank you very much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And if you like what you see, I would love for you to share. So, have a great night. Be kind. See you next time.